Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into GroupMe on PC. In this tutorial, GroupMe allows users to access group chats, detect messages and share media across devices through secure account authentication. And this guide will walk you through the login process step by step. First, you need to launch to your preferred web browser such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or the Mozilla. And after that, in the address bar top, type down groupme.com and enter it. Over here, once you get into this interface, in the top right corner we could find this login here. Select to this login. You can simply type down your email or the phone number and your password as well, and you can select to this login. But if you have previously logged in with Apple, Google, Facebook or the Microsoft, you can simply go to this by simply select this any of the social and login from here as well. And GroupMe provides multiple authentication as well, and if using Microsoft or Facebook, you'll be also redirected to the authenticate through that service. And after that, you'll get access to your dashboard and your group chats will appear on the panel and your account will be fully accessible from your PC as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.